Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll explain what a negative balance on Cash App means and how you can fix it quickly. A negative balance happens when you spend more money than you have available on your Cash App account. This can occur due to pending transactions, overdrafts, or failed deposits. To fix a negative balance, the first step is to add funds to your Cash App account. Open the app, tap on the banking tab, then select add cash. Enter the amount needed to bring your balance back to zero or positive and confirm the deposit. You can add cash from your linked account or debit card. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your linked sources to avoid delays. If your negative balance is due to a failed deposit or a disputed transaction, check your transaction history to identify the cause. Sometimes refunds or corrections take a few days to process. And if you're unable to add funds or the negative balance persists, contact Cash App support through the app, explain your issue, and they can guide you on next steps or possible adjustments. Remember, keeping a positive balance helps avoid declined transactions and account restrictions. That's how you fix a negative balance on Cash App. So this was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you so much for watching.